this is Nick with Layer8 Labs. Let's take a look at our first two products, Triage and Sentinel. I promise there's so many more to come. We have a ton of ideas on how to help MSPs and IT teams. So let's drop into our dashboard, and first we'll take a look at Triage. So we'll open up the Triage configuration panel. You got a few options here. So the first thing you want to do is configure your teams. So as you can see, I've got a couple of different IT teams in here: networking, server, store. Let's create another one. The team name desktop support, and a little description. Supports end users with desktop functionality. Now we'll add the team. All right, we'll go back. Now let's generate us an API key. I've already got two here. Let's make a third one. We'll call it test3. Click generate key. Now make sure to copy this key and store it somewhere because it's only shown in the UI once. After this, when you back out of this, it's never shown again because it's hashed on the back end. And then we'll test out the API. So we'll paste the key here. I'll say Outlook won't open as the ticket subject. Help, Outlook is not opening on my desktop, on my PC. We'll run the test, and the AI should come back with an assigned team here, desktop support, and a confidence score. Now I can also copy this as curl, and I can drop this into a terminal to test as well. I believe curl hates my my escape character there, so we'll get rid of that. And as you can see, the API is responding also in here. Now we can try another one just to show you how the AI works. So remember, I've got other teams. So let's say nobody has internet, and whoops, nobody has internet. And for the subject, no internet on third floor. And if I send that, we should get the proper team assigned. Here we go, networking. So you can use this API endpoint integrated into your ticket system. When tickets come in, you can send it to Triage and just send it the body and the subject, and of course include the XAPI key header, and it will respond with a JSON like this, and then you can configure rules on your side to auto-assign tickets based on these responses. So that's Triage. Let's open up Sentinel and take a look. So here's our Sentinel scan dashboard. It's pretty simple. I'm going to run a new scan. Now you can do up to 10 hosts per scan. And on the Pro version, you get 40 scans per month. So you could theoretically scan 400 endpoints if you did 10 endpoints per scan. So let's just do 2 to start. We're going to use 2 test scanning endpoints. We'll do test aspnet.vulnweb.com, and you comma separate them, and we'll do scanme.mmap.org. And that's it. It's as easy as that. You'll see scan started. You'll get a progress bar over here. Anywhere you go, if you're still within the application, you'll get a pop-up, a toast notification saying that the scan is finished. You can see our scan is running here in the recent activity. You can also see our triage assigns and key creates and all our activity here. If you try to click this, it'll tell you the scan's still in progress. But when this is finished, you can navigate directly to your report from here. Just to show you what a report looks like in the completed section, if you click the view button, you can see a Sentinel report here. And of course, you can download that very same report with the other button there from the table. So like I said, these are the first 2 of many features in the toolkit that we're going to provide for MSPs and IT teams to better their ops. One note on the Sentinel scans, all this executive summary, all of this, and immediate remediations. This will help you remediate the issues. It's not just going to point out, here are your problems. It's actually going to tell you how to fix them. And this is all AI driven in the executive summary, key risks, and immediate remediation sections. So that's it for now. Like I said, we've got more features coming. We have a ton of ideas on how to help IT teams and MSPs improve their ops. Any questions, if you want to know more information, you can navigate to layer8labs.io, scroll to the bottom and fill out our contact form. Or you can email us directly, nick@layer8labs.io. Thank you very much.